Want your Squarespace site title to truly command attention and reflect your brand's personality? Let's make it pop. First, navigate to your website's dashboard from the left-hand menu. Click on Website. Within the Website section, look for Design and click on it. Now, in the Design panel, you'll see an option for fonts. Click on that. Here, we're interested in the site title, and logo settings. Click on that to expand. You'll find controls for font family, style, and most importantly, size. This is where we'll make your title bigger. Locate the Site Title Size option. You can either use the slider to visually adjust the size, or input a specific numerical value for more precise control. As you adjust this, you'll see your site title change in real time in the preview area. Aim for a size that's easily readable and complements your overall design. Beyond just size, you can also tweak the appearance. Click on the color swatch here to change your site title's color, ensuring it stands out against your background. And don't forget the font weight. Making it bolder can also increase its visual impact. Experiment with options like regular, medium, or bold. Once you're happy with the look and size of your site title, remember to click Save in the top left corner to apply your changes. And there you have it. Your site title now has the impact it deserves, enhancing your brand identity and drawing viewers in. Happy designing.